Enter state-wise MRP. To enter state-wise MRP in Gateway of Tally, under Masters, click on Inventory Info. Under Inventory Info menu, click on Stock Items. Under Stock Items, click on Alter. Select Dell Computer. In Stock Item Alteration screen, skip Other field in Default. Enable the option Set or Alter MRP Details to S. In MRP Details screen, click on FTOL Configuration. Under Configuration, allow state-wise MRP to S. Skip the field in Default. Applicable from 1/7/2017. Select States and type MRP rate for each state. Press Enter to go back to Stock Item Alteration screen. Skip field in Default. Press Enter to exit the screen. Press Escape button to go back to Gateway of Tally.